watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome back. If you love the ease of summer and the timeless charm of farmhouse style, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore how soft neutrals and simple textures can transform your home into a calm and welcoming retreat for the season. Whether you're updating a few corners or refreshing an entire space, these ideas are all about comfort, simplicity, and light. Beige linen curtains. Lightweight linen in natural beige softens the sunlight and gives your space a breezy farmhouse feel. Woven basket wall display. Arrange hand-woven baskets in neutral tones as wall art to add texture without clutter. Whitewashed entryway bench. A weathered bench in the entryway creates a welcoming spot and gives a rustic, lived-in look. Neutral throw pillows in cotton and linen. Switch out bold patterns for soft-toned pillows in breathable fabrics for a cooler, more relaxed space. Clay pots with greenery. Terracotta or off-white clay pots with herbs or ferns bring in nature while keeping the color palette calm. Wickered and rattan accents. Add light rattan chairs or trays to your living or dining room for a natural, casual elegance. Cream-colored slipcovers. Refresh your furniture with simple slipcovers in soft cream or ivory for a clean and cohesive look. Farmhouse ladder with summer throws. Lean a wooden ladder against the wall and drape it with lightweight neutral blankets or towels. Neutral tone table runner. A simple runner in beige or oatmeal tones can instantly make your table feel styled but relaxed. Framed vintage botanical prints. Display muted botanical illustrations in wood or white frames for a soft, nostalgic feel. Rustic wood coffee table with light decor. Keep your coffee table minimal with just a few summer books and a small vase of greenery. Light jute or sizzle rug. Swap out heavy rugs for something breezy and neutral like a jute or sizzle rug. Cream ceramic vases. Group cream or stone-colored vases of varying sizes for a simple summer centerpiece. Pale wooden wall hooks. Use a soft-toned wood hook rack in your entry or kitchen for hanging hats or bags, functional and stylish. Soft white candles in clear holders. Add a few white pillar candles in glass jars or lanterns for an evening glow that feels clean and calming. Thank you for watching. Simple pieces and soft colors can truly make your home feel peaceful and ready for the warm season. If you enjoyed these farmhouse decorating ideas, be sure to like and subscribe for more timeless inspiration. We'll see you next time with more calm, cozy, and beautiful decor tips.